another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a chocolate bar at home, and it's really yummy, really delicious. So watch the video till the end. Now guys, this is really easy. So I have 3 packets of Oreo since I'm making 3 ice creams, but if you want to make more or less, you can take less packets. So whatever, first you gotta take the Oreo packets and then you have to crush it, the rolling pin. Now crush it really good. So now guys, I have crushed all of the biscuit packets. Now I'm gonna open them with scissors. Open the packets. Now I'm gonna pour some milk in each one. This much. And there. You have to add the milk that all of the biscuits are fully dipped in the milk. Now guys, we have added the milk and we have added the sticks so that we can eat this easily, and mixed it, and now we have to put this in the freezer for 2 hours. Now it has been 2 hours, and that means our ice cream is ready to eat. So let's unmold this. Now we have opened this, and this is how the ice cream should look like. And guys, if you want more chocolate, you can dip this in some melted chocolate or stuff like that. But since I don't like that much chocolate, I'm gonna eat this just like this. But what are you waiting for? Go make this and eat this. I hope you find this simple. Now I'm gonna taste this for you guys. Really cold, really yummy. Cheers.